Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that right after the market opening, market took support around 2405 and market gave a nice bounce. Those who are thinking that this is not a nice bounce, my dear friend, on Monday morning on a low volatile market, okay, this bounce is pretty good. On Saturday, we discussed about the immediate support around 2406-2408 area. Yeah, the level did not work precisely, okay, but yes, still we got a good bounce, okay. And we discussed about 25-30 pips. Those who took buy, okay, in the early morning, I believe that you got more than 30-40 pips, okay. Anyways, it was a good upside, okay, especially for day traders. And now we can see the market is showing little bit of price rejection from above, and this is happening because of low volume in the market. So on Saturday we discussed many levels and all the major levels are still very much valid. Okay, there is not much change in the market structure also, but yes, there was many anticipation. There was from the traders around the world that there would be a gap up opening. Market may fly towards 2450, 2500 because of the attack on Donald Trump. Okay, you can also read the news. Dollar rises on heaven demand. Dollar index rose to 104.3 on Monday, rebounding slightly from a 5-week low as investors sought safety following an assassination attempt on former US President Donald Trump over the weekend. Not gold, gold sleeps on dollar strength. Gold is below 2410 an ounce on Monday, sliding for the second straight session and facing pressure from a rising dollar as investors assess the impact of an assassination attempt on US President Donald Trump on financial market. Okay, so this is the ongoing market sentiment. Okay. There was some gap up opening on the chart of DXY. Okay, there was some gap up opening on the chart DXY if you look at the lower time frame. But overall, you can see that there was not much reaction from the market. So let's focus on the chart of gold again. Again, I'm repeating my reference, the major levels like 2374, 2387 that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. There have been some minor changes that we are about to discuss right now. So market is bounced from 2405, this level here. So we discuss about the level of 2404 and the level of 2404 is no longer valid. Now we have the next immediate support around 2400 to 2399. This is the next immediate on the chart of gold. And then we have the second immediate support around 2392. Okay, 2392. It can be 2390 also. It can be 2393 also. If you have been trading for a couple of months, you must know that the levels do not work as a particular level in the market. They work as a zone. So around 2392 area, we can expect the second support and the first support to be around 2400 to 2399. So right now the volume of the market is going to play a major role. As we can clearly see right now that there is not much volume in the market. Okay, from the size of the candle. So you can see that right now there is not much volume in the market. Okay, so if market drops, the next support will be the red line here. Okay, but if by the European session, if market surprises everyone with a big red candle, then obviously you need to avoid, because all the markets have many levels, but some are strong, some are weak. 2400, 2392, these are not strong levels that can hold the market, that can reverse the market in case of heavy selling pressure. Okay, so if you are wondering, Avilash, from where did you get 2400, 2399, then I would like to show you. Okay, see, we are back with our beloved Fibonacci retracement here again. So you can see that, okay, here we have 2400, okay, when we're considering this low of the market, and moreover 2400 is a round number, that is another logic. Okay, and when we are shifting our Fibo low here, you can see that we have the Fibo 23.6% retracement around the level from where market bounced previously. Usually I do not rely on these type of levels, but the volume is critical. volume plays a very important role. To break this level, okay, you need to understand the role of volume. To break this level, what is important? We need heavy selling pressure. But right now there is not much selling pressure, so obviously market will not be able to break this level. Means the sellers will not be able to win the war against the buyers present around 2390 area. That is the logic. Okay. And rest of the levels, okay, are still the same 2387, 237074 area. Okay, those are still very much valid. But right now, let's keep our eyes on this particular portion here. One thing that I have noticed on the chart of gold right now is that gold has formed a lower high. Slightly, it is forming lower high. So a drop may come. And as we already discussed on Saturday, that 2425 will play, okay, will play an important role, because in this type of market situation where the market is forming higher highs, okay, usually taking a sell at the previous high is not a good decision. It's kind of a foolish decision or a very rookie decision. But in this case, okay, we can clearly see the volume is missing. Again, the same concept. Okay, to break the level of 2425, market requires what? Market requires volume. If it fails, then obviously market will reverse and we can look for a sell position. And if the same situation remains, okay, if you see the market is going up above 2425, but if you see the size of the candle is not convincing enough, you feeling that ना मार्केट में रिवर्स ओके अगर आपको मन से फीलिंग आता है कि मार्केट नहीं जाएगा ऊपर ओके इन दैट केस ओके do not go for buy. You can do two things. If market comes down, you can look for buy at retracement when 2425 will be working as the new support. Or if market comes down again after grabbing some liquidity like this, okay, you all must be familiar with liquidity grab, very popular these days. Then you can look for a sell below 2425. Okay, so buy at retracement or sell below the resistance. Okay, if you see a breakout, buy at resistance means the previous resistance will be working as the new support. Got it? Okay. Oof. This is the main problem with trading. Okay, everything is very much subjective. Okay, that's why you will not find 100% accuracy. Okay, this is a bitter fact. Okay, and those who claim 100% accuracy, those who claim 95% accuracy, okay, just run away from them. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Let's see how does the market react during the US session. We have the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell by Wednesday, I guess. Okay, I need to check the economic calendar. Till then, okay, you all need to be careful. Okay, and please follow proper risk management. And this is my Instagram profile. Okay, do not follow the scammers. Okay, there are lots of scams going on in my name. If you want to follow me on Instagram, okay, only follow the profile with the blue tick. The link is in the description. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care.